assignment on applied leadership and management, and my name is Vishu Sharma and my student ID is 12563. Introduction. So the purpose of presentation is to depict the professional development for Helen, and she's an employee working as senior marketing position in a Hesta company. So she's also a team leader leading a group of skilled individuals. Personal goals for Helen: to learn about work-life balance, so they want to balance their work life and their social life as well, and to emphasize on stress management activities, and to encourage the personal learning and development aspects for the developing personality, to enhance confidence level even after managing everything solely. Hesta's purpose and vision. So the vision is to make a real difference in the retirement outcome of each member in their company. Purpose: to safeguard the financial security and reduce the risk appearing in several services and areas in their company. Professional development opportunities. So participating in professional organization meetings and conferences and regional workshops and conferences would help in developing analytical skills in their company and in their staff members. Focusing in improving job performance through learning about technology, like new technologies are coming day by day, so they can help for the staff members. They can help to learn the new technology. And rational is like handling roles and improving her capabilities of managing challenge. Enrolling in skill-based training about industry tools, and competency would be improved with the awareness about industrial tools. Motivation. So there is like interesting motivation and extrinsic motivation. So first one is like focusing on satisfaction with the job, and developing a sense of belongings for the job, and ensuring high professional development training, and providing rewards and monitoring benefits. Focusing on improving salaries and wages, creating opportunities for improving psychological needs, and there is a time frame. So first one is participating in professional organization, and for reason is like it will be a short-term activity in which Helen would participate in workshop conferences to learn more about professional dynamics, and the duration is like it's a short-term, and they will apply for like a very short period. And the time frame is like it will be carried for maximum is like 3 months, and it will be starting like on 1st June to 2nd September. And focusing on improving job performance. So on the job performance, the reason should be like it will be a long-term activity where Helen would emphasize on coping up with the new tools and systems to carry about the work roles in efficient maintenance. It will be a long-term. So basically the long term is like 9 to 12 months, so they're going to apply for same like 9 to 12 months, and it will start on 1st July, and it will be probably on 1st June 2020. Helen is expected to learn before completing 1 year on this training, and for enrolling in skill-based training about industry tools. So within a short period, Helen would undergo for the skill-based and about the industry tools. So it would be also a short team activity. So in this the team should be involved, and this will be carried around for like 4 to 5 months. So and which would learn theoretical and practical dimensions in their staff members, and it will be started on 1st September 2020 and will be end on 1st January 2021. And these are the like resources: participating in professional organizations, financial resources, physical resources, and human resources. How is their company gonna manage the resources? It will be like the course will charge like 3,000. Thus, Helen can also assistance from Hesta's employee development professional goals. And since it includes learning based on technological resources, so on technological resources, the fee structure should be 2,000, and Helen has to pay for the enrollment fees, where she will be learning about the practical implementation industry tools, the fee structure should be around $5,000, and it will be the requirement will be like laptop and internal facilities like internet, we can say, and technological tools and systems will be needed like software implementation, computer system, projector, and Helen requires a computer system for proper physical infrastructure and like same internet facilities. So Helen would need to develop networking with professional expertise and skilled people, and Helen needs to support from the team members so that together they will be overall training and learning process can be conducted. And here Helen will need a skilled trainer to learn about the tools and process in industry work prospects, evaluation and effectiveness. So here the performance of Helen will be made through getting interviews from the industry experts. Also the roles and durations at HESTA will be monitored and to come up with the performance reviews. And Helen's ability to deal with the technological tools and systems will be monitored. And Helen will put practical trainings to the mayor to knowledge level. Also the skills development aspects will be made through the execution of tools into performance areas. This will evaluate, so in the evaluation this will evaluate the according to level 3 behavior, in which Helen's attitude and behavior and context will be considered. The professional organization will be the degree of Helen's participation of behavior and involvement in the learning phases. Also according to level 2 learning, Helen's confidence and commitment towards professional development area will be evaluated. And with the help of level 2, Helen's capability in dealing with the industry will be ascertained. This will be also given intended knowledge and attitude of Helen about the commitment. Professional practice. As a leader, I am accountable to develop professionalism in workplace. Therefore, I will maintain like discipline in all areas, and I will analyze all the areas are risky and will communicate with their employees and safeguard them. And also there will be a professional development sessions to program with and can help HESTA's workplace to become more efficient. And apart from this, I will emphasize on grievance management so that it will not hamper overall business performance. And ethical practices in the business. Under ethical dimensions, I will keep up honesty and integrity while providing benefits to both employees and the clients. I will ensure to develop fairness and transparency in the work areas to provide right information and associated people. Also, according to ethical facets, I will show concern for others, especially in organizational employees, in terms of providing them training and other growth opportunities. Moreover, HESTA will abide the legal and regulatory practice while providing financial services to their clients. Social and cultural practices. I always believe that employees should have social bond with each other, with their staff members, and so they can manage the dimensions in effective way. Just looking at requirement, I will maintain social dynamics and I will allow people to communicate with each other according to work autonomy. This will help the team members to manage complex with critical work, hence work and based challenge will be reduced accordingly. Alongside, I will ensure the create discrimination-free environment wherein all the people will get the same treatment and benefits, and such practice we will ensure to stabilize creative culture in the entity. Challenges faced by HESTA. From the analysis, it can be that HESTA is not able to bring motivational benefits to the employees, therefore employees are facing difficulties in finding satisfaction on their work areas, and lack of motivation in the employees not only impacts on performance level but also it will be greatly affects the organizational productivity aspects. Solution of HESTA, and so a solution can be like according to the problem, HESTA can develop motivational strategies in which different monetary and non-monetary benefits can be provided to the employees. as per performance level. Also, it can be suggested to HESTA emphasize one growth needs to employees in terms of satisfying, retaining them, organizational focus on employee, motivational would ensure and benefits on both individual and business level. So they want to make sure like all the employees should be individually on and on the business level they are treating fine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Do you think Helen goals and HESTA goals are aligned with each other?
Sorry?
Do you think HESTA goals and Helen goals are aligned with each other?
Yes.
Explain.
So like Helen and HESTA, HESTA's goal is like to make sure all the employees and all the employees are like fine and on the individual level and on the business level. Even Helen have to be fine on the individual level and on the business level as well, because she can be like a good employer and employee as well. Like if she is working or if she is having a company in the future. So I think they're aligned with each other.
Okay. You said that for some of the activities she needs about $3,000 for as a financial resources, right? Who will pay for that one and why?
So HESTA will pay for the Helen's training, because sometimes like company needs to pay for their employee, because they need their staff, because the old staff sometimes they have good knowledge and sometimes there is a change in technology and they need to train their same staff. They don't need to hire a new staff members. So I think company have to pay for that.
Okay. Next time, make sure that all the contents are very clear. For example, the time frame, the resources. If someone is watching from here, it's not clear at all. Very small font size. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.